She's showing talent.
Get her, Aaron!
Stay with her, Aaron.
Yes, you stealth, Aaron.
Did I make you limping? Oh.
Oh, what'd you?
Did I? No.
Oh, don't worry, she's gonna be killed anyway.
Oh, you almost got her.
Grab her by the neck.
Grab her by the feet. Hold on to her feet.
We can grab her feathers and hang on to her. That might be.
Got it! Caught my first chicken!
Look at the toenails.
I know. That's how you know they need to be sold.
Oh!
Wow.
Oh!
Say old toes.
Is she pooping on me?
No,
Oh,
God,
she's-
those feet are grotesque.
It's about like your
old
feet.
feet. We need to put her. We're gonna put her.